Watch what I'm getting ready to do with these big old sausages and this cabbage and Mountain Dew. Simply start out by just slicing your kielbasa. Add that sausage into your pot. If you're wondering why they look different, well, they're both kielbasas, but they're not all made the same. Kielbasa in. Now you need one medium-sized head of cabbage. Slice down and around, down and through, eliminating the core because we don't need it. Get your cabbage cut in big squares just like that and toss it in. All right, now that we have our cabbage in there, it's time for the main ingredient, 20 ounces of Mountain Dew. Last step, 4 cups of beef stock. Hold on, we almost forgot. The Dano's Original, that's the green top. We're gonna open the second top and we're gonna pour a bunch of that in there, just like that. Now we got everything in our pot. We're gonna let it cook for at least 30 minutes on a medium-high temperature, but I want y'all to notice something. There's not a lot of liquid in there. There's only 4 cups of broth, 20 ounces of Mountain Dew. But what's gonna happen when this cabbage starts to cook down, it's gonna release a lot of water, and this is gonna be the perfect amount. Trust me, we're all good. So now we're getting it mixed in. We'll just put the lid on, let it cook. And now it's time to get us a bite. This is when you need yourself a spork. Get a little bit of everything, some of the cabbage, a little kielbasa, and a little juice. We need a little juice. That flavor is out of control. Those kielbasas, whatever brands those were, I don't even remember, are awesome. The sweetness of the Mountain Dew, and you have the broth, and then you have the Dano's that just totally sets it off. That's the bomb, my friends. I'm gonna go enjoy this. I'll smell you later.